Well, hey crafty people, and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about how I was going to be running my advent calendars for 2025. I have two boxes. I have the Gina K Designs 12 Days of Christmas, and I have the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. The Spellbinders one is 24 days and the Gina K is 12 days. And so what I'm going to be doing is that for the Spellbinders, every day at 8 a.m. I'm going to post a unboxing video that will be a short, so you can see what the surprise is behind the door. And then for the Gina K, this will be starting on December 12th. I wanted to, out of respect for Gina, that is when she is starting doing her unboxings, and I didn't want to step on her toes at all, so the shorts, or might even be a long form, will occur every day. She's going live at 1 p.m. Eastern starting on the 12th, so I will post mine after that so that she can do her thing. I thought what we could do today is to just open these up and see what they look like. So that's kind of exciting. These are my first crafty calendars that I have gotten, so I wanted to share them with you guys this year. I thought that would be kind of fun. And what I will also do is that once I have enough days open, or that I feel like I can make a crafty project with the contents, then I will do a long form video showing you know, whatever it is that we created with the doors that we've already opened. Alright, let's see. Ooh. Well, first of all, let me just show you this box. Like, how gorgeous is this box? Okay. So I'll open it up. It is so big it doesn't even fit on my screen here. I love this art. This is so gorgeous. I can't wait to open. So here is going to be our first one. And that will be on the first day of December at 8 a.m. So be on the lookout for that. And then let's see. How cute is this box? It must be Gina and Tom. Their holiday outfits. It's so cute. It's just like when you get a Gina K card kit and it's got all the little cute things on it. There is a rumor that their new kitty cat is in here somewhere. I'll have to look at that later. Alright, let's open this up. Such a gorgeous box. Alright, let's see. Thank you for joining us for our first 12 Days of Christmas box event. And it just gives more information about when she's going live. So again, that's 12/12, and it's 12 p.m. Central or 1 p.m. Eastern. And then all of these are little packages, so we'll get to open these. And she did say that all of the products in here, except for one day, are all brand new products. So that is exciting. I can't wait to see what's going on in there. I'm trying to peek for the kitty on the side too. Okay, so we have our sneak peek of our two advent calendars that we will be opening. And again, so today is November 30th, 2025. So the first one unboxing will be out tomorrow morning, the 1st of December at 8 a.m. and that will be a short. So be sure to check that out. Thanks so much for stopping by today. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.